Hello girls, today I will help you to do this project. As we see, we have to do this figure in our programming. So, I open the application and I go to the project defaults and I have to change these and write the same as it's in the PDF. So, I write it all, then I go to check if all the values are the same in the file. Here we will change the first value to CFS. Now I will draw the figure. To draw a figure, I need to use some tools. If it's not shown to you, you have to check the file and see how you can make it show to you. Okay. I start with the first junction and the second and the third and the same as it's in the file. I done the junction, then I go to the tank, I press tank and put it here, then I press this tool which is pipe and I have to connecting all of these look like the figure. Here we done. Now we go to the PDF and see the information about the tank and I have to change it. So I click double, I have to press this, then click double in the tank and I will change here to make it 400 as it's in the file. Now we will start with the pipes. As we see here, all of the length of the pipes are 50, but 14 it is 100. So I will double click here in the first pipe and I will change the length to make it 50. Use this window to make it easier to you. And don't forget the pipe that in the middle, it have to be 100. In my figure, I find something wrong, which is the total of the pipes are 20. When is the file? It's 21. So I check the pipes, how many are they? And I find here the pipe 10 is repeats. As you see here, here is 10 and here also 10. So I decide to delete this pipe and do it again. By the way, there is no problem if the name of the pipe not the same of the file. After you do this step, you can run and see if it's success, and don't forget to take a picture. Now I'll put the information about the junction. About the first one, I will do 0.15 minus 4, it will be minus 3.85. After a double click in the junction, I will write here the value minus 3.85. The other junction, I will put the same value as it is in the file. So junction 2, it will be 0.18, junction 3, it will be 0.13, and continue as it is in the file. Now I done with all of the information. Now I run and it's success, and don't forget to take a picture. Now I will go to the window and open PA1 and open the maps, and I will check the file. What should I open? So here I have to open the demand and the diameter. So I go back here, I put the demand and the diameter, and here you are. As you see, here's a mistake. I don't know when I put the diameter 0.12, so I changed it into 12. Maybe some of you will wonder why it's not the same as in the file. Ours, it's all of it's green, and the file, it's some of it's blue. It's fine because our work is right, it's good, and that's what the doctor said to me. And run to make sure that you are in the right way. If you want to show the values, you have to press the right click and press here and check that these are pressing, and here's the value. And the same way in the file, we have to check about the pressure and the velocity, and here they are. Run and our work is successful. Now press this button and take a picture about or for this table. The same thing about the second take the picture about this table. Then I press this tool, pump, and connecting between the tank and the junction. Then I go here and there and define to the curve, and I will adding a curve. I will put the flow and the head as it's as in the file. So I put the flow 30 and the head it was 20. From here I put the pump and wrote here the name of the curve that we made, CU2. The second part of our project that I will delete the tank and I put this tool, then I will connecting by a pipe. I will create a new curve and the head and the flow was 4 and 300, and I will put a pump from here to there, and in the pump curve I will put here CU3, the name of our curve. Then we do the last parts as it's same as what we do before. We will try to find the length. Here's the length and here it is. We will run and it's successful, and don't forget to take a picture. In the end, don't forget to take a picture about your tables of your values. This is all about the reports. Thank you for listening and good luck.